Well, it's Thursday, February 1st, and I'm trying to get back on track with my videos. And I'm editing today. I should have done my editing yesterday and have it uploaded in time for today. I'll still try to upload it tonight. But anyway, it's a fairly short one this week. And I'm going to show you a little bit of video. Exciting news. I've already started to put the OSB sheathing on the framework, just one sheet, and I showed that in the video. But before I run the video clip of installing that first sheet of OSB, I'm going to show you a few pictures. We had two sections of wall framing left to go, and the first photo shows the layout of the smaller section which goes over the left side wheel well. And we went and installed that, but I didn't get any video of it. And then we assembled the last section of wall framing, which is left forward side. It's a fairly large section, and it's a little bit too big and too heavy for just my daughter and I to lift it into place. My wife is visiting her dad down in Pennsylvania, so we didn't have another person to help. So we've set that aside, and we'll do that maybe this coming week, because my wife is due home tomorrow night. So maybe this weekend we'll get that into place so I can get that finished off. But you will see a few photos of well, how it looks now. I took the scaffolding down off the aft end and of the trailer and from the inside. And so a couple of pictures, when you see that, it looks a whole lot different. So we are progressing, and we're moving along, so let's move on with the video. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give me a like, share the video, and thank you for watching. It really does help me build my channel, and I appreciate it. Well, until next week. So here is that small section that goes over the wheel well, and then you can see the other section is just leaning up against the trailer that we haven't installed yet. And then here's a few other photos you can see of well, how it looks now. I took that staging down, and it looks quite different. And yeah, we're moving right along, getting excited now to put up the OSB outside sheathing.